Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Steelite Robotic Pool Cleaner S7, Cordless Pool Vacuum, Automatic Pool Vacuum Robot. There are features include powerful dual motor cleaning performance. Advanced dual motors deliver strong suction for removing leaves, sand, dirt and small debris, keeps your above-ground pool floor clean and swim-ready with less manual scrubbing. Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner convenience, no messy hoses or tangled cords to manage, simply press the power button and drop the pool vacuum robot into the water for effortless automatic cleaning. Up to 120 minutes runtime for large coverage. Cleans pools up to 1,076 square feet on a single charge, ideal for backyard above-ground pools, inflatable pools, and flat-bottom swimming pools. Smart self-parking technology, automatically parks near the pool edge when the battery runs low or cleaning is complete, easy to retrieve without searching around the pool. Easy filter cleaning and low maintenance, designed to capture large leaves, dirt, sand, and small debris efficiently. Open the latch, empty the filter tray and rinse with water for quick cleanup. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.